In today's video, I will teach you how to create a monochrome effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Begin by opening your image in GIMP. To ensure you can revert back if needed, duplicate the background layer twice and hide the duplicates by clicking the eye symbol on the Layers panel. To enhance the quality of the image, particularly if there's visible noise, use the Free Selection tool to select area with noise then go to Selection, Feather, and set it to 75 pixels. Afterwards, navigate to Filter, Enhance, then Despeckle with the settings of 1, -1, and 256. Then check both checkboxes for optimal noise reduction. You can further refine the image quality by applying Filter, Blur, then Selective Gaussian Blur. Then apply 10 pixels radius and 13 for max delta. This will ensure a smooth transition, especially useful for areas like clouds. To simulate the infrared effect, utilize the channel mixer found under Colors, then Components. Adjust the sliders for each channel, keeping in mind the RGB color model and how each channel contributes to the final image. And avoid extreme values to retain detail. Now, compare your grayscale image created using the channel mixer with one produced using Colors, then desaturate. Then notice the difference in aesthetic and detail preservation. To reintroduce color, create a copy of the original background layer and adjust its opacity to around 35%. Then set the layer mode to color. This creates a dreamy effect reminiscent of infrared photography. And for a stronger dream effect, duplicate the grayscale layer, then apply Gaussian blur with a radius of 20 pixels to 40 pixels. Then go to Colors, then Color Balance. Adjust the values for shadows, midtones, and highlights to your preference. Then set the layer mode to screen for a surreal finish. And that's it! You can experiment with different settings and techniques to achieve your desired monochrome effect, and have fun exploring the possibilities in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.